Can you point out the difference between the conventional study material available in the market and the special study material given by DMA?
So when it comes to study material, it forms an important aspect when it comes to preparation for these entrance examinations. So what is usually available in the market and what I have experienced myself is those study materials, they have the usual stuff which doesn't change over the years, but these entrance examinations, they require these latest updates and the latest new mechanisms that have been incorporated in the textbooks. So when we are given these DMA study materials, these materials were, number one, they were up to date and they were taken from standard textbooks. And second, it was covering all the topics of the last 5 to 10 years papers of FMGE examinations. And the third, it was not very elaborate, it was concise, to the point where you could revise that material, say 3 to 4 times. So revision was possible and not just copy pasting stuff and the study materials that are usually available. Another special feature of these study materials was that at the end of each chapter we had the appropriate schematic diagrams about the topics of the chapter and also the cases. So the clinical case oriented questions and scenarios were given at the end of each chapter. How important is that one is because in this June 2019 exam, the paper 2, we had lots of cases. So many students found it very difficult because 4 to 5 line questions and they had only 1 minute to solve. Me on the other hand, because I was exposed to clinical case oriented questions and scenarios and how to solve them and how to diagnose, treat and those type of questions, it was a little easier for me, especially in solving the paper 2 of the exam.
What we have done with the material we gave to the 2014 batch in China, it was kind of a compound material where you get the comprehensive stuffs together. By the end of the chapter, we were providing kind of like, the most apprehended cases, images and revision. What did we do right now in the app? We schematically and systematically divided all these materials into 4 parts. The first comprehensive part is called as the gold standard material, where you can read the material with complete like comprehensive stuffs together with emphasizing point marked in bold. And we divided all the last minute revision material into a category, we call it now as rapid fire edition. Then we divided all the pertinent and high yield images into a section called image bank, and the last one is called as apprehended cases. So we handpicked all the important cases, you can say, all the most apprehended cases expected in the exams, divided them systematically into subjects, and we are providing this also as a special study material in the app. So this is systematic. Once you are reading a topic, you will be getting the concepts first, you will be getting the revising points, you are going to get the apprehended cases, and you will be getting all the pertinent images. So this is kind of a combo that is an immense kind of help for you, not only to read from the first time, but also to revise and go through the exams without any difficulties. This is the original idea of dividing the materials.